Hi and welcome to Create Dishes. My name's Tracy and today I'm going to teach you how to make my potato salad. Let's get started. You'll need 1 kilo of potatoes. The ones used for boiling, baking, roasting. You don't want the waxy type. 1 red onion or Spanish onion. 1 capsicum. I prefer red, but you can choose. Some salt, some pepper, some chicken stock, or you can use vegetarian beef stock, whatever you prefer. Some mixed herbs. I have 50 grams of whole egg mayonnaise and I have 90 grams of sour cream. Okay, now you'll need a potato peeler. Grab a potato and start peeling. Peel away from your body and away from your hand so you don't get any little nicks or cuts in your hand. When you finish peeling your potatoes, just take them to the sink and give them a rinse over with cold water just to get rid of any dirt or starch that's left on the potatoes. Next step, grab a knife and start chopping. I like to slice mine in about a centimetre strip, then place them back down together and make them into approximately around a centimetre square. That way it's more of an even cooking time. You could always cut them up in a more of a rustic form, but if you do that, it's going to be hard to keep them all the same texture when they're cooked. Some will be a sloppy mess and some will be firm still. Grab your saucepan, put your potatoes in. Place enough water just to cover the potatoes. Add a good pinch of salt to the water. It will bring the boiling point up quicker as well as give some seasoning to the potatoes as they're cooking. While the potatoes are boiling away, we might as well get on to the sauce or marinade that the potatoes will be in. Spanish onion or red onion, and grab your capsicum. Peel the red onion. Now that your red onion is peeled, we'll do a fine dice with it. Now we're on to finely dicing our capsicum. You don't need all the capsicum, you could probably use half a capsicum. What I like to do is slice the sides off, then gently slice the pith of the capsicum off, because then that'll get rid of any bitter taste. Then into a nice thin slice. And finally slice it again. Potatoes are boiling away nicely at the moment. So now into the bowl, add your 90 grams of sour cream, your 50 grams of whole egg mayonnaise, capsicum and Spanish onion can go in. We'll add some more salt, just a pinch, a good amount of pepper to bring out the flavour, your 5 grams of stock powder, chicken, veggie, beef, whatever you prefer, and your mixed herbs. All in they go, and now it's time to give it a mix. Pop your mixture into the fridge until the potatoes are finished boiling. Grab some potato on a spoon and put a fork into it, and when it goes through easy but doesn't fall apart, that means they're ready to be cooled off. Now the potatoes are done, you need to strain them off really well. Okay, the potatoes are now really hot, so we'll go and run them under some cold water just to cool them down. Now the potatoes have been rinsed off and cooled down, put it inside the dressing that we made earlier. Gently stir it around. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Here you have my easy, tasty potato salad.